startup, you already know the routine. You hire smart people, everyone is talking about shipping fast, but somehow a big part of the week just gets lost in project coordination. Updates from meetings, Slack messages, task follow-ups, copy-pasting those tasks into project tool like Jira or Linear, assigning it, emailing it to developer, following up again, and 5 minutes gone per task. Now multiply those 5 minutes by 20 tasks a week and multiply that by 3 to 4 team leads. You're quietly burning 6 to 8 hours a week, and in an AI startup, speed is oxygen. You can't spend your time in just coordination. So I built something to fix this. Hi, I'm Mansi More. I'm an AI developer in San Francisco, and I put together a multi-tool autonomous agentic pipeline using LangSmith Agent Builder. Let me give you a brief on how it works. A task message, drops into the task Slack channel with title, description, deadline, assignee, and other project details. The agent reads it, understands it, creates the linear issue or Jira ticket, and emails the developer and me as a manager confirmation and get one approval step, and that's it. 10 seconds and it's done. To be honest, I thought this would take at least 2 days to build because 3 different standalone apps, MCP setup, LLM integration. But no, trust me, it didn't. I didn't use any custom API wrappers, no MCP server configurations. I opened Agent Builder, plugged in my project required apps like Slack, Linear, Gmail, wrote one prompt, set up one approval gate, and that's it. The LLM handled the reasoning, Agent Builder handled the orchestration, and well, I handled the coffee. And this is the quick tip I would tell to any founder right now. Stop automating the flashy stuff. Start with the boring workflow your team is repeating every single week. And use your team's valuable time on building stuff faster. Because at the end of the day, the real difference between we are busy and we ship is what you choose to automate first. And that's exactly what LangSmith Agent Builder is built for. Let me quickly show you a demo of it.